long. It has a capacity for 3,000 Navy seamen. However, bear with me, they very rarely have 3,000 aboard. Typically, they have 6,015 people on that vessel. Four and different branches of the military that come through this vessel, be it aircraft or any other unit. 0 total aircraft. Most of them will be kept on the belly that's inside of the ship where that kind of cutout is. All of that is jam-packed with different styles of fighter jets. And as needed, you will launch them up to the upper deck via elevators. Now how the flight deck itself will operate is that there's a big catapult, kind of like a receiving system. So those aircraft are landing at very high speed. The goal is to receive the end of the catapult that pulls them in onto the aircraft carrier, onto the flight deck there.
There's a helicopter over there.
As well. I don't know if anybody remembers that video that was viral, I think last year, where the Coast Guard officer jumped off the boat, got on the submarine, and was pounding on the top of it. I mean, that's what this vessel is tasked with doing. You can see those, three buoys that they have right now. They'll probably put these things back in the water in the next couple weeks. But this buoy tender, folks, is kind of a jack of all trades, not just a buoy tender. Look by the window where the captain drives, the right side of it, you'll notice all the Coast Guard award flags, but this one also has a marijuana sticker up by it. And that's because it was responsible for a very big marijuana bust 2 years ago.
I bet you smell weed on there. That's what they do. They sell weed on there. That's what they really do. They lying.
Just someone.
I bet you got. I want to buy some weed.
Now, folks, we're going to stick our noses in this area in front of us, and you're looking at it right now, and you're like, why is he doing that? This place is boring and abandoned. Bear with me. Back in the day, this used to be an old Navy shipyard. Carl Vinson that keep it to look abandoned. And that is because this is a huge film set. Featured in Spider-Man, Jurassic Park, Fast and the Furious, CSI Miami, Dexter, NCIS, Prison Break, kind of like car commercial you see on TV. Police departments all across California train here. Folks, this is a very popular spot in Los Angeles. It's the old Bethlehem Navy shipyard. Seeing the full length of the ship, or the full depth of it. It goes way deeper in the water. It's all for container storage. Now everything we've seen on the right half of our trip today is Terminal Island. Keyword island, not accessible by land. In order to get to Terminal Island, you have to utilize the Vincent Thomas Bridge, which takes you back and forth from the Los Angeles side to the Palm Beach and Terminal Island side of the port. And folks, directly in front of the boat is the World Cruise Terminal here in Los Angeles. It is slow today just because of the Fleet Week traffic. However, we typically can accommodate up to 2 large cruise ships here at a time. They disembark to places like Alaska, Hawaii, or Mexico. Do you guys remember the show The Love Boat? The Love Boat was filmed here.